Hello everyone, welcome to Olsen Cafe. In this video, I'm going to show you one strategy that I find it very useful to help you solve word problems. And this strategy is called Kitten Cannot Swim Underwater. Now in this lesson, the example that I'm going to use is a question from O-level specimen paper. So we are going to apply KCNSU over here. So K stands for keywords, so which means when I go through the question, I will quickly go through what are the keywords that I have here, and I'm able to identify the before statement and the after statement. With this, I move on to C. C stands for concept. So sometimes in a question, there can be more than one concept being tested. So at one look at the question, I might think that this is the algebra question, but it is actually not. This is actually a concept that we have learned in primary school. There's under ratio, unchanged total. Yeah, so with this, the next one we look at for is N. N stands for numbers. So what are the key numbers that we have in the questions? So we have here 5:3, which is the before ratio, the after ratio, and also $22. Following that, then we have statements, all right, statements, and the last one, which is under unit. So these are the last two that help you in your presentation. Now, so once we have identified that we are ready to solve the questions, so therefore, concept ratio, so which means I write down the before ratio, identify what is the total, and the after ratio and the total. And since it is unchanged total, then what I need to do is I need to make the total the same. So I multiply by 7 and I multiply by 8 here, and this is how I get their total equal. Yeah, so with this, I do the same for the before ratio. I multiply by 7 and I multiply by 8 for the after ratio. I'm able to have the new ratio over here. And since I have the number, right, which is $22, I'm able to know that the change in the units is 11. So with this, I know that 11 units is the same as $22, and I want to find how much does min has now. So which means I need to work out how much is 1 unit, and then from there I simply work out what is 24 units. And with this, I am done. I'm able to find, all right, the amount of money that min has right now, that is $48. So I hope this simple strategy helped you in solving word problems. All right, I see you in the next video. Bye.